Samsung Galaxy Note series can be described as a series of phablets designed, developed, and owned by Samsung Electronics that run on Android OS. It is sold primarily as high-end phones. The line of Galaxy Note series was launched in 2011 with the Galaxy Note 1, after which there have been an array of productions of it, different versions such as Galaxy Note 2, Note 3, up to its most recent series Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus, Note 10 5G, and Note 10 Plus 5G. The Samsung Galaxy Note is considered as the first commercially successful smartphones with large screens that are designed to be a convergence of the functionalities in the Samsung tablet and the mobile phones. Within the first 2 years of launch, Samsung sold over 50 million phones in this series. This series of Samsung mobile phones have certain features that are oriented towards the device's large screen and stylus pen. The primary reason why Samsung continued this series as a result of the success of Note 1 and subsequent ones.